How to set full screen photo for incoming calls on Android phone. So if you want to see photo you wish to set for a specific contact on a full screen when this person will call you, then I'm going to show you how you can do this. Let's get started. Firstly, we need to go ahead and find the Contacts app on your phone. Now just go through the list until you find the contact you wish to customize, or just tap search bar on the top to manually find it. Now tap on the contact and tap Edit button on the bottom of the screen. Now we're gonna tap on this field on the top on the profile and profile card. Just tap on that, and firstly let's customize the profile icon. For that you can use your camera, Galaxy avatar or gallery. I'm gonna just choose photo from my gallery and then adjust it like that. Tap save, but that's not it. To make it full screen we need to set profile card as well. So tap on the option, allow access, and also set your photo or go through colors just as you wish. I'm gonna go in my gallery once again and choose, for example, this one. Now you can crop this profile card if needed, or if everything is fine, just tap done in the top right corner. Then again, you can change your profile icon or leave the same as your profile card. Then tap save at the bottom. And now let's check the result. So I'm gonna go ahead and call myself. And yes, now the photo is on the entire screen. So we just set a photo on a full screen on Android phone. And that's it. Don't forget to hit subscribe to see more useful content.